Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck had fans going crazy as they showed major PDA on their first red carpet appearance since getting back together. Ever since Jennifer Lopez, 52, and Ben Affleck, 49, got back together, the world has never been the same. The newly rekindled couple made their first red carpet appearance as a new couple at the Venice Film Festival on September 10. The lovebirds attended the premiere of Ben's new film, The Last Duel, and they both looked absolutely amazing as they kissed each other on the red carpet. J.Lo and Ben could not take their eyes off each other, and when Ben walked out on the carpet alone, he smiled at the cameras before opening his car door to reveal Jennifer. Once the crowd saw they were together, the fans went wild and started cheering for them uncontrollably. Ben was smiling from ear to ear and started laughing because the reaction was overwhelming. Related gallery. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez's timeline, from engagement to split and reunion 17 years later. On the red carpet, Ben and Jen looked into each other's eyes lovingly as they kissed on the lips. J.Lo rocked a skin-tight sleeveless white George's Hobic gown with a plunging scoop neckline that revealed ample cleavage. The neckline was lined with dazzling crystals, and the skirt of the dress had a ruffled trim with a plunging slit on the side, revealing her toned legs. J.Lo accessorized her angelic look with a pair of metallic silver platform heels and a bedazzled crystal clutch. Meanwhile, Ben looked as handsome as ever in a fitted black tuxedo and patent leather shoes. The couple has been in Venice together for the past week, and everywhere they go, they can't keep their hands off each other. "We are seriously living for Ben and Jen, and we love how happy they are together."